Look at that. Woo! This is crazy. Woo! There you go. Alright, here we go. What is going on, folks? It's MrBucketlist here, and today I present the complete guide to the Great Tides Water Park by Norwegian Cruise Line. This will be a complete tour of everything that you need to know about this water park, including all the slide POVs, all the different areas, including the bars, the kids area, the locker areas, and more. All the included dining, and then the upcharge options as well, and much more. So I hope this video is helpful. There will be timestamps in the description for each and every area and every slide. Let's get to it. All right, here we go. All right, the first thing you have are your lockers. Okay, so here's the locker area. These are included for your charge. You just come here, you put your stuff in, you put a code in there, and there you go. So I forgot to show the showers. If you need a shower, it's over here, right near the bathrooms. Okay. So again, it's MrBucketlist here. Feels so good to be here. Get your park map. All right. So this is like the main entrance area right here. Class K, first side code. This is going to be Tidal Tower. This is the main attraction here. And look at all these slides, y'all. This is insane. Oh my God, this is insane. Wow. So there's all these different slides. And there you go. Wow. There's a lot. And then they have the thing that goes up there. Pretty cool. Okay, so if you're curious about the walkway to the slides, here you go. There are no elevators, you gotta walk up. Oh my God. Oh! Oh! Woo! Wow, look at that view! Oh my God! Woo! Look at that! Woo! Oh, this is good. This is really good. Of that polka dot. Woo! Woo! Tower looks like when you come down. So after about 4 times of going up these stairs, they start getting harder and harder. So just remember that. Remember that.
Here we go. Woo! Oh wow! That's pretty. Oh, I can't see nothing.
And they do have water stations here, right near the slides, which is amazing. Okay, and then over here they have some cabanas. Really nice. I cannot believe I'm the only person in this theme park right now. This is, besides the staff, this is pretty amazing. I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so excited. I needed this so bad. You all have no idea. And this is going to be the kiddie area. Oh, there it goes. Oh, man. Wow. That's a good shot. Thank you. Wow. That bucket that will spill water on you. Oh my God. So I got hit by the bucket of water. I wouldn't try it, but I got hit by it. So here's some other slides right here. Again, these are all for... Oh my God. What the... Oh my God! I'm like, what is hitting me? They got sprinklers up there where you can spray people. I'm like, why am I getting hit? Oh, this is crazy. This water park is wild. Okay, and more seating areas. This is that lazy river, so it goes all around. This is really nice. Wow. And they also have a float away bar. So you can swim up right there, or you can get a seat down here to the bar. Alright, as you see, they have towel stations all around. So pretty much in every area they have some type of towel station. And I'm about to do the lazy river now, which you grab your tubes right here, and then you get in right there. And as you can see, they do have the accessible chairlift. So I do have a few friends that are have accessibility challenges. So with that said, they can use this chair lift to get in, which is pretty amazing. All right, so let's do a full tour of the lazy river. Now that I'm pretty much by myself. So let's hear me, Mr. Bucket List. That's where I started off at that towel station area. They got some inner tubes over there. As you all can see, there goes the slides. Let's keep going around. Wow, that is so nice. This is crazy. Here I am. you all can see, this area is getting a little bit more busier now.
Might be a little boring in here now. No matter how many millions.
This is where you can go and get a drink at.
Josh.
It's almost like your kiddie area. So the Great Slide, Fearless Falls, Cliffside Leap. It's not bad at all. Got a bar. And then they got this cool viewing area over here for the bar. If you want to watch your kids while you drink, there you go. Great slide. Woo! Now, unfortunately, these two slides I will not be doing. Well, actually, three different ones. So these two right here, as you can see, it goes down to 8 feet 6 inches, and then that one over there, the cliff jump, goes down to 12 feet. That's just not happening, folks. I can float, I can't swim, so that's just not happening. But as you all can see, it's got that nice little drop. There's two different sizes there, and then that one has different levels as well. But that's actually pretty cool. Shoot. Okay, so food opens up at 11:30 to 2. All right, so this is the buffet options here. Thank you so much, I appreciate that. Oh, that looks good. Oh my God, folks, y'all look at this. Wow. Okay, NCL did a great job. Thank you so much. They got desserts here too. Oh, goodness. Condiments. Cool. And this is where you come. This is where you come and get your plates and everything like that. Alright, so this is what I got from the buffet. Also this over here. Some water. Now let's look at what food they have. So right here is Tidal Treats. $10 for a Sunday or a Sunday. Then over here, Low Tide Smoke. Wing sounds good, but I'd rather just put them on the strip. And then next over here, I think I got a shrimp roll. Okay. So I'm a huge fan of shrimp. Now, I don't know what those little lights mean. I guess it just means it's open. I don't know. And then over here is the buffet section. So this is where the food will be. Go. Here we go. Woo! Oh, it's dark. Oh, it's really dark. Woo! There goes the light. Oh! Oh! Oh my God! Oh! This gracious! Oh! Oh my God! Oh, here we go again! Oh! Oh! I'm going backwards! Oh! Oh! Oh my God! I'm slowing down a little faster. There we go. Woo! Oh! we got stripes. Oh! Oh! Uh-oh, we're slowing down. What's going on? Coming to a halt. Oh, never mind. Here we go. Woo! So I figured I'd use this time to give you my honest thoughts about this park. It is beautiful, it's nice, it's clean, it's new. It does have a lot of slides, and you can easily do everything like I did within, I would say about an hour, maybe an hour, 15 minutes most. If it's empty. Now if it's busy, obviously I'll be waiting and stuff like that, but being that this is a preview, I literally did everything in an hour and 15 minutes. Now with that said, right now to get in here it was $54. I think that's the perfect price. If it's 99, 120, 150, who knows what it's going to be in the future. I think that's kind of asking a lot for what it has to offer. I mean, it doesn't even have a wave pool. That's the one thing that really stands out about this place. Zero wave pool, zero pool at all, just to swim. The only thing they have that's similar to that is this lazy river that I'm in right now. So I mean, if you're someone that likes to go to water parks for the pools or the wave pool or whatever, this isn't for you. If you're someone that loves the slides like me and lazy rivers, this is definitely for you. But again, it just really depends on the price range you're thinking about. For me, I know I'm gonna make these videos, so I don't really care about the price. But if I was coming here with a family of 4 or 5 and I'm not gonna get on any slides, then yeah, it might not be worth it. But again, it really just depends on how you feel about spending your money. But that was my final wrap up of this park. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, this Mr. Bucket List. Okay.